To fix Wix not accepting payments, follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure your Wix site is connected to a payment gateway, such as Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. If you are using Wix Payments, verify that it is enabled in your Wix account settings. Check your payment gateway account to ensure it is active and in good standing. Verify your business and bank account information is accurate and up to date. If you are using a third-party payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe, ensure you have correctly connected it to your Wix site. Next, review your payment settings in your Wix account. Ensure that the correct payment methods are enabled and that the payment gateway is properly configured. Check for any error messages or notifications in your Wix account that may indicate the issue. If you are still having trouble, try testing a payment to ensure the issue is not with the payment gateway itself. Use the Wix payment testing tool to simulate a payment and identify any issues. Also, ensure your site's SSL certificate is up to date, as this can affect payment processing. Check with Wix support if you are unsure about how to update your SSL certificate. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Wix support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the problem and provide additional guidance on how to fix Wix not accepting payments. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue and get your Wix site accepting payments again.